Hello everyone, this is your lecturer Hajirah Farooq, and today we are going to be discussing about the module called Academic Skills in Studying with Confidence. The module code for this module is BMM 3113, and this lecture summary video will be for the cohort 12 semester 1 students. And in this video, we will be discussing about the week 7 and week 8 for this module. So in week 7, we started off by discussing the learning outcome for the day, which were demonstrating effective presentation skills. And by the end of the session, the students were able to understand the do's and don'ts in oral presentation and the common structure of a presentation. So we started off this week with an icebreaker question about how to do an effective oral presentation. And we started off with an activity where we watched a video and the students had to find out the do's and don'ts in an oral presentation from within that video. Then we discussed the common structure of a presentation by watching a video, and we discussed some tips for structuring presentations. As you can see in this image shown on the screen, that it should be a sandwich structure with an introduction, body, and conclusion. And we further discuss some tips and tricks for structuring presentations. So first of all, we should start by greeting the audience, and then we should be expressing special acknowledgements if appropriate. Then we should be giving discussion opportunity and introduce your topic and explain the purpose of your talk. Uh, Furthermore, we should be structuring the facts chronologically or by priority or by theme, and it all should be in a logical flow, and the main points should be brought out one by one with evidence. Also, we should be summarizing the presentation and we should emphasize on the main message of the talk, and we should explain how they can apply the information learned in the presentation into their real life scenarios. We should be having some question answer time as well. We should acknowledge others as well who helped us during the presentation if it's a group presentation, and we should end the presentation with a short and powerful sentence or a quote. Then we had another activity where the students were supposed to log into their Moodles and engage in the Moodle class activity. And this was the end of the week 7, where the students were able to understand the do's and don'ts of the oral presentation and the tips for effective presentation. Moving on to the week 8. So we started the week 8 again by discussing the learning outcome for that week, which was the learning outcome 4, identify and describe the key support services within the university. And by the end of the session, the students were able to understand the key support networks available to the Scholar School System students and the online and in-campus library services available to the students. So some of the key support networks available at Scholar School System to the students are lecturers, academic student support and experience team, retention team, student finance department, and student representatives. Then we had a little group activity of 20 minutes where the students were supposed to break down into groups, and the lecturer was supposed to assign them a topic, which was one of the key support areas, and the students needed to provide as much details of the support that is provided or that is available. And then they had to discuss the answers with the lecturer and with the whole class. After that, we discussed about each of the department and how they provide support to the students. So we started off with the academic student support and experience team. They basically monitor the student progression and provide student support and assist with queries. They liaise with lecturers and make support plan for those who require support plan. They assist with the assignment submission. uh, these are some of the things that the academic support team does for the students. And there are other support services. For example, the retention team, they are the people who maintain the attendance for the students. The admissions team, they are the people who register and assist the students with the student finance. Then there's some student well-being at SSS. For example, weekly wellness program, Wellbeing Wednesdays, student representative meetings agenda include well-being and mental health. student focus group. So these focus groups basically discuss topics ranging from role of IT in supporting studies, academic progress, pastoral care, and well-being. And then we also have some one-to-one sessions with Sally B, that can be either online or on campus. Then we also have some work experience opportunities with charity organizations. So we support those in need and provide vital, nutritious food to vulnerable communities. We also raise awareness for renal health, and we provide free education to those who are less privileged. We also have some library services available to the students, and we watched a video regarding how to use the online library services for the scholar school system. And this was the end of week 8, where we were able to understand the key support networks available to the SSS students and the online and in-campus library services available to the student. So that was all about this week. Thank you so very much for listening and watching this video. And if you need any more information about your course material, you can log into Moodle. Thank you so much.